Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Breyer, and today we are making a delicious Graham Cracker Pie Crust. This is really easy to make, it's healthy, and delicious. The ingredients in this recipe are graham cracker crumbs, melted butter, you could use regular or vegan, and maple syrup. The first thing that you need to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and I've done that. Next, we're going to add all our ingredients into a bowl. So I have 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs, and if you want to make your own, I have a video showing you how to make your own graham cracker crumbs. It's super easy. Next, a 1/4 cup of melted butter. You could use regular or vegan. And finally, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. We're going to stir these ingredients together. You want to stir the ingredients together until all the crumbs are evenly moistened. Okay, this looks good. Next, I'm going to pour these crumbs into a 9-inch pie pan. I'm going to press the crumbs firmly onto the bottom and sides of the pan. I like to start with the sides, get those first, and then come back for the bottom. I'm not that good at pie crust, but I always remember it's going to have a filling in it, so you won't be able to see it, and it's going to still taste delicious. Okay, it's looking pretty good. So you could also use this pie crust without baking it. You just chill it for about an hour or so, and then you can put a no-bake pie filling in it. I'm going to go ahead and bake it 8 to 10 minutes. After I bake it, you also need to use it with a no-bake pie filling. And I have a really good one that I'm going to fill it with. Anyways, I'll go put it in the oven next. I put the pie crust on a small pan just to make it easier to put it in and out of the oven. So I'll come back in about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. I'm going to take our pie crust out. And it smells delicious, looks good. I'm going to let it cool, and we'll be right back. Our graham cracker pie crust has cooled. It's ready for our filling. I have a no-bake chocolate ganache pie filling. It's amazing. This is my favorite pie. So all we got to do is pour it in here and chill it. So I have several no-bake pie fillings that would be perfect for this pie crust. Check them out. This chocolate ganache pie filling is my favorite. You can find that in another lesson. So try this graham cracker pie crust, and I'll see you in the next lesson.